Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about this bike BMW S1000 Single R. I am going to tell you 5 things that I really love about this bike. But before we start, I will tell you something about this bike first. So this is, like I said, 2017 BMW S1000 Single R Pro version. There are three versions in this category. The first is standard, then sport, and then the pro comes with the entire electronics package, including the electronic suspension and all the bells and whistles that are currently available. Before we start, friends, I would also like to please request you, in case you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. This will really help me and keep me motivated to bring more quality content to you guys. Thank you. So to start with, the first thing that I really love about this bike is the electronics package. It has got 4 modes, traction control, it has got auto blipper and quick shifter, it has got cruise control, it has got electronic suspension, it has got heated grips. So this is really a benefit, and all these features really work. So all these are practical. For example, the quick shifter and the auto gripper, it is very good, very smooth, and it really helps you when you are riding in the spirited manner. Similarly, the electronic suspension, it really works. So if you are riding in the city, you can put it on a comfort mode and it will slowly glide over all the things. If you want to ride in a spirited manner, put it into a stiff mode, and then you can ride the twisties, etc. And you can also tune the suspension from the flick of a button. If you are riding two people, if you are a single rider, you can change the settings. So all these features are really practical and I really love them. So that's the first point, that is electronics package on this bike. The second thing, friends, is the power and the torque that is available on this bike for use. So it has got 114 newton meters of torque, that is similar to its elder brother, which is the BMW S1000 RR. However, in this bike the torque is available on the low and the mid range. Max torque is available at 7200 rpm, friends, and it is very helpful. You can, with a small twist of the grip, it has got immense power, and you can cross number of cars without even thinking, without even going down any gear. So the second point for me is the power. Although it is only 165 bhp, which looks very less maybe compared to other bikes on the paper, however when you ride it, it is really helpful. So you have that all the power immediately available at the tap, which is a very good thing. So second thing is the power. So the third thing is the handling of this bike. It has got amazing handling. It really, you can flick it into any direction. It is very stable at high speeds. It has got a steering damper which helps with bumps in case there are any. Also, with this particular bike, I have got the HP aluminum forged wheels that are about 3.5 kgs lighter than the stock wheels. So these wheels help in acceleration, deceleration, braking, direction change, everything is improved. So this is the third point that I really love about this bike, the handling of the bike. uh, Fourth point is the brakes, friends. The brakes are amazing, I should say phenomenal. They are very good, they are very confidence inspiring, and you have a very good connect with the brakes as well. Last point, friends, is the crackle and the burble it makes when you are downshifting gears or when you are deaccelerating. It is amazing. You can hear inside the helmet how it crackles and burbles when you deaccelerate. Sometimes when I am on a long ride and feel really bored, I would go few gears down just to hear that burble and the crackle. Now it brings back the entire fun of the journey again. So friends, these were the 5 points that I really love about this bike. Like always, every bike has few negatives. This also has few negatives. I am going to talk about the negative points in the next video. So for the timing, this is it. Please, in case you like the video, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much, friends. Bye.